Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Rebecca, Becky, Bex, whatever you guys like to call me. In today's video, I've created this simple but smoky eyeliner using the Milani Everyday Eyes palette in 05 Earthy Elements. This eye look is just so simple and easy to do, but it's very effective at the same time. So it looks like you've created so much work on it when you actually haven't. I really like how this eye look came out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you like. Link is in the description bar below. So if you guys want to see how I create this smoky eyeliner, just keep watching. I've already added some tape near my eye just to get the sharp shape, and I've also primed my eyes with some concealer and used some setting powder to set it in place. I'm going to grab the Natural Collection kohl pencil in the shade brown. I'm going to apply this on my lid and also create a little wing with it. Now, I thought this pencil was soft. It is soft, but it's not quite soft enough. So if you want to create a smoky wing, I do recommend maybe going in with a cream product, so that way it blends a little bit more softer. But it still works nonetheless. I just had to apply a little bit more pressure. So yeah, I'm just adding it to my lid and creating a wing. I'm first going to take the contour shade in the Milani palette, which kind of looks like a light matte burnt orange. I'm going to grab a Real Techniques shading brush and I'm going to be adding this colour right on top of where we applied the kohl pencil. I'm going up and down on top of it and applying circular motions so we can blend that kohl pencil out and bringing it out as well so we can create that smoky line look. I'm now going to grab the lid colour, which is number 3, which is that really nice warm orangey colour. I'm just going to grab a soft pencil brush, I think. This is from BH Cosmetics. The writing's completely come off, so I don't know what the name of the brush is, I'm afraid. But I'm literally just going to apply that colour slightly on top of where I applied that contour colour. So we have like a little slight gradient going on. So I'm just going to apply it on top and then just slightly winging it out. I feel like now we've lost a bit of the intensity with the kohl pencil and the contour colour. So I'm just going to re-add a little bit more of that Natural Collection kohl pencil, and then I'm going to go on top of it with the contour shade with that shading brush. Just going to be adding those two on again and then topping it off again with a little bit of that lid colour. So I'm pretty much just doing the same steps. So I'm adding the kohl, adding the contour shade, then adding the lid colour. Add, blend, blend, blend until I blend them all together to how I want it to look. I'm just now going to grab a little small fluffy brush. It's just a very short fluffy brush from Makeup Revolution with no product on it whatsoever. And I'm just going to gently blend on top of that lid colour. I'm not going to do too much blending because I don't want to fade the orange too much. So I'm just blending it so it just looks a little bit softer. I have removed the tape and we've got this really nice sharp wing going on. I'm now going to grab the base colour, which is this really sparkly champagne colour. I'm going to grab that on a very small little brush and I'm going to apply this under the brow bone and in the inner corner. Now, this is a very sparkly shadow. If you don't want to use this under your brow bone or in the inner corner, I do recommend using the shade number 5. It's just above the number 6 liner colour, and that's more of a subtle colour. There's no glitter or any shimmer in it whatsoever if you want it to be a little bit more subtle, but personally I absolutely love this sparkly glitter shade. I'm actually bringing the brow bone colour a little bit low because I absolutely love the sparkly illusion it gives off. You don't have to bring it low if you don't want to. You can just pull it a little bit higher like how you would apply a brow bone highlighter. And to finish the eyes off, I'm going to be adding the Natural Collection Kohl Pencil. I'm just going to be adding this in the waterline and slightly in the lower lash line. So I'm just going to be adding it a little bit messy because I'm not going to be adding any eyeshadows underneath my eye whatsoever. So I'm just adding that and then finishing it off with some Benefit They're Real mascara. So adding that on the top lid and adding it onto the lower lashes, even though my lower lashes are very non-existent. And that's it, guys. That is the eyes complete. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. This eye look is just so easy. It's simple, it's smoky, it's effective. And the fact that I've got no eyeshadow underneath my lower lashes, it's a little bit different for me, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm digging it and I really, really like this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you get notified by all my future videos. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, link is in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching, have a great day, stay safe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys!